So now I can agree. Bangalore to Pondicherry route is.
இதில் போயிட்டு இந்த காம்பவுண்ட் சேர் வருது பார்த்தியா அதெல்லாம்
Next time,
next time phone చేయను మరి వస్తే ఫోన్ చేయను ఇక్కడ
stay in hostels, not.
Hey family, welcome to Rangnork Wheels. So there is something crazy about 4 a.m. start when you're riding solo, right? The city is dead silent. It's freezing cold actually, and just you and your bike warming up in the dark. This time I'm heading towards Pondicherry. It's been I was planning this little bit some time. Just looking for some beach vibe, slow days, and a massive break from my usual city chaos. No group, no plans, just me and the open road. Let's go. Damn, that felt like a movie scene. Of course, I thought that. Everyone goes to Pondi for a pretty French cafe and the colorful street. But there is a wild secret that no tourist knows about. Back in 18th century, the British actually captured the city and literally flattened it to the ground. They destroyed almost every single building. So all the ancient French architecture we see today, it's completely rebuilt from scratch. It's basically a massive, beautiful historic cover up. And my colleagues and friends were saying the route is so amazing, and I just wanted to see. So now I can agree. Bangalore to Pondicherry route is so great, and you don't feel it. The highway, it's so smooth and less of a potholes. And the weather was so great and the sky was so awesome that I could have just lost myself. And but we had to travel a long way, so I kept moving forward like we should do always in our life.
சரிங்க நல்லா இது வெஜ் ஹோட்டல் எங்கே இருக்கு
வெஜ்ஜி ஹோட்டல் இந்த சைடு இல்லையா
இல்லையா
இந்த சைடு அதில் இங்கே இப்படி கீழே போனால் தான் இருக்குது
அப்படியே போகணும்
கீழே இறங்கி அந்த லாஸ்ட் ஜங்ஷனில் வரால கண்ணா ஹோட்டல் இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க இதில் போயிட்டு இந்த காம்பவுண்ட் சேர் வருது பார்த்தியா அது லாஸ்ட் லெஃப்ட் கட் பண்ணி அங்கே ஒரு கோபுரம் இருக்கும் அந்த கோபுரத்துக்கிட்ட போங்க அங்கே இருக்குது
தேங்க்யூ சார்.
So I asked the cop where I can find a good, just a breakfast spot. So he guided me and Thiruvannamalai. And when I visited to this place, I was not aware of this background and how great this place was. And I didn't get a chance to visit inside. And this place is so awesome that I have visited twice. After completing this ride, I came back twice for this place. That's how much I like this place. Looking at the massive temple towers from the road, I seriously wanted to park the bike and go inside. But when you're riding solo, you are constantly tracking a clock. But hey, that's the beauty of solo trips. And this gives me a perfect another reason to ride back here again someday, right? And once I reached to my hostel, ghost stops Aro Valley, and you should must visit this place. It's really great, and I made a bunch of friends on a single day itself when I visited, and we traveled a lot around the places. It was really great to have such a friends in a short time for a long time. So post that we have traveled some of the places. I couldn't capture much of it, and here are some of the video which I took there. I am kind of a guy who wanna live the moment, not try to capture it and save it somewhere else, right?
ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ 1 కిలోమీటర్ లెఫ్ట్, మీరు రైట్ వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటా.
And he is one of our friend who I met, and there is the goodbye time to Pondicherry. So I have stayed almost 3 days, I guess, and now I am heading towards Chennai. It's just a single day, so I will be staying there, and then I will be heading towards Bangalore.
సరే బ్రో,
ఇదేనా?
సేఫ్ జర్నీ. ఇలా లెఫ్ట్ నాకి.
ఓకే
ఓకే,
ఐ విల్ మీట్ నెక్స్ట్ టైం.
నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఫోన్ చేయండి, మరి వస్తే ఫోన్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ
నంబర్ ఉంది కదా?
ఇక్కడ సజెషన్ అంటే చూద్దాం మరి. బాయ్ బ్రో.
మీరు అన్ని తిరిగి అంటే నాకు హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు పింగ్
అది ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. సేఫ్ రైడ్ బ్రో.
బై. సేమ్ టు యు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
తర్వాత వెళ్ళాక
బ్రో. Yeah, like you just go for unknown places, you just meet up someone, do this, yeah. You get socialized easily, like it's really worth it, you know.
stay in hostels, not for some room and all, so you won't feel lonely.
On the way towards Chennai, I visited Mahabalipuram. Then I stayed in the loft and had a good lunch and visited to this zoo. Look at this guy staring right into camera. Hi bro. and there was a lot of struggle this snake was going through, and some idiot put on a flash and on the right time, and it missed it, felt bad for this guy. And in the evening, I visited French village food court near ECR. Had a lot of fun. Okay, family, so we are ending the video here. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be happy, be healthy. Thank you.